If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on TikTok, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that the card details entered are correct, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 2. Update billing information. If your payment method has changed, update your billing information in the TikTok app. Go to your account settings, find the payment section, and enter the new details. Step 3. Contact your bank. Sometimes banks may decline transactions for security reasons. Contact your bank or credit card provider to check if there are any restrictions or holes in your account that could be causing the declines. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can resolve temporary glitches. Go to your device settings, find the TikTok app, and clear the cache. Restart the app and try making the payment again. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the issue persists, uninstall and then reinstall the TikTok app. This can help reset any underlying issues with the app that might be affecting payment processing. If you've followed these steps and are still facing issues, consider reaching out to TikTok support for further assistance.